Good morning from Little Creek Bee Ranch. We're in the middle of prepping some nuke boxes for spring and summer. All the painting that's got to be done. We're working on 4 of them right now, but then there's a whole stack of more boxes to work on. A couple of tips. Boxes can get really grungy. You know, we try to protect our wood. There's 4 coats of exterior paint on each one of them. I mean, they were looking really bad. But inside, what I'll do is it gets just so old and looking, I don't know, you know. After probably 5 or 6 years or more, we'll take the sander, and I know there's probably a little bit of propolis laid down, but we'll go ahead and sand it, and we'll clean up the inside. We'll even blow it with pressured air, and give a new surface so the bees can work on again, because what it will do is tend to prompt the bees to lay down some more propolis. When you refreshen that wood, it's all old and it needs to be sanded down inside. See all that? And you'll get a little bit of fresh wood exposed in there, and the bees will then go and they'll put down some more propolis, just a thin sheen of propolis in there. So they're old nuke boxes that were tightened up. We've tightened up the corners and shot some air staples in them. Put 4 coats of paint on them, and then we'll take the sander and run down inside there to freshen it up. And then work on all these other ones. Yay! This is one of those drudgery chores that's got to be done. Oh, hate doing it. So many other things. I'd rather be crappie fishing, you know. But your nuke boxes, they stay outside a lot of times, and if you don't protect your woodenware, boy, you can burn up a lot of wood. We don't want to do that. So here it is, man. This is what we're doing. This is why we got bee students, but you know they're not here right now, so yeah, I'm letting them off easy. All right, so hey, prep some nuke boxes, 4 coats of paint, sand the inside, clean them up. Some old stuff, if you got old stuff around, get to it. See ya.